we have a lab called Silk Fashion Lab, and this is a special lab, and Dr. Subrata Das, Professor Fashion Technology, is the in charge of this lab, and there is another in charge is there, Ms. Somia is Assistant Professor of Fashion Technology. Now, what is the objective of Silk Fashion Lab? Now, we are having lot of innovative products and process development approach is there in this category, and some of the examples are shown here. Like this is an example of cocoon handcrafting. The pierced and cut cocoons are used here, and they are dyed, and also LED lamps have been used into that. So it is a home decorative material. It has been produced as an innovative product in this particular lab. Now there is another innovation. You can see that similar kind of material, so flower vase kind of thing, so with LED lamp. So these are different products actually has been produced there. Then there are certain kind of headbands and all these things are also available, where cocoons are cut into different shapes, and before that cocoons are dyed. So this is also one of the accessories which have been produced, and this is also a fashion accessories. Now objective also contains the sustainable fashion products using silk with business perspective. This is another objective. In that our students in this special lab, they developed lot of products. So one of the product is shown here. It is like a choker kind of thing, and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, with that theme this was produced. Then there were earrings, as you can see, it can be produced from this dyed cut cocoons. Then lot of flower pots, this can be produced from these cut and pierced silk cocoons. So these are the different products actually which were produced in this special lab, and we also conduct in this lab different workshops at different point of time. Like we have done some workshop on the development of design from the silk drapes, and some experts from other institutes also came over here, and he has trained our students. It was a one-day workshop which was arranged by Silk Fashion Lab recently. And this is also different students as shown in the picture, that they are participating, and they are exchanging their views, and they are learning from these experts. So these are the aim of the workshop, to train them so that in future they will produce a lot of innovative products. So these are the different designs that students have produced from their activities in that particular day of workshop. Now workshop also was conducted on very traditional kind of art, that is the kalamkari painting, and also that printing, block printing, which is very traditional in nature. So one of the potential person, he came over from Kanchipuram area, and he is an artisan, traditional artisan, and 2-day workshop was conducted under this special lab, where all the students of different other special lab studies also participated in this event. So these are the different areas actually, how the painting, before that how the particular art is getting created on the treated fabric. So that is shown here, and our students in the special lab and other special labs also working in the FT department, they participated in this workshop. So this is also one of the activities that in that workshop, in the second day, that different painting activities were carried out, and also the printing, hand block printing. So how the sari printing is done, so that was taught by the outside experts from Kanchipuram. So these are the different training activities in the form of the workshop which is getting conducted in this Silk Fashion Lab. Now, the main products of this silk fashion lab is from the cut and pierced cocoons. So far we have done. So these are the different pierced and cut cocoons, and these are getting dyed actually. That conventional synthetic dyes and natural dyes all are used here, and different types of products, as you can see, it produced there. So necklace of such kind of is also given in the Amazon for the sale. So commercial perspective is taken care of while we develop the product in silk fashion lab. Different other products also are to be produced in this lab, as can be shown here. Very interesting thing is that the greeting cards, so a lot of decorative items can also be produced from this cut and pierced cocoons with the use of accessories. Apart from that, there are also the garments which will be produced in this silk fashion lab, different kinds of garments as is shown in the picture. So those kind of garments will be produced in this silk fashion lab. Then the tapestry is also another area where there are enormous possibilities are there. So silk fashion lab will take care of this development of silk tapestry. Then the window curtains, this is also one of the potential area. So silk is used into that window curtains. Okay, elegance, it is one of the major features of this window curtains while we are using different varieties of silk. Then table, bed covers and the runners, those are also will be produced in this silk fashion lab. So as in the figure we can show that different kind of such products are there. So this will be developed in this silk fashion lab, and this will be like a design activities and also the product development activities. Wall paneling also is one of the areas actually for decorative purpose. This will be used from this silk, different varieties of silk will be used, and wall paneling will be done as shown in the figure. This is all for home decorative material. Now accessories and miscellaneous products also will be developed, like bags and other items, as can be seen here in this figure. So these are the different products actually are to be produced, but this is not the end. The downcycling also is very important, that the material after use, how this will be then taken care of. So what are the products can be produced from those used material? So as you can see that cut pieces, then sari ribbons can be produced, sari ropes can be produced, spun yarn can be produced, and sari fibers can be produced. So these are different downcycling options from where this different kind of silk products can be produced out of these different silk items. So these are the one of the major areas we have to concentrate on this kind of lab. Different other activities like industry interaction with Central Silk Board. So periodically we visit, and also different other activities like we have signed MOU with RSJ inspection services in Bangalore. So these are the different activities of silk fashion lab. Thank you.